Good morning, students. I am Navarajul, Maths Faculty Target High School at Kadapatri. So, yesterday we discussed proofs for trigonometric ratios value, students. So, then we are framing. We can express in trigonometric ratios values in table, students. How it is, observe all of you, right? T ratios mean trigonometric ratios, values table. Trigonometric ratios, values table. Right. So, one side angle taken and other side, and comes to downside ratio, T ratio. Right. So observe here, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and also 90 degrees. And next one, so here, first ratio is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. Right. So here, use the one shortcut, students. Then we can get the values easily. So observe, students, here T ratios values table. Right. What is the shortcut? Observe here. First, this value we can express. Say like in the one. So use square root of 0 by 4 and square root of 1 by 4, square root of 2 by 4 and square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 4 by 4. Then we can get first value, students. So how it is, observed here. Square root 0 by anything 0, isn't it? Right. Here square root, distribute both terms, 1 by square root of 1 by 4 nothing but 1 by 2. Next, 2 ones, 2 2, students. Square root of 1 by 2 nothing but 1 by root 2. And again, here square root distribute both terms, then root 3 by 2. Why? Because of square root of 4 value it becomes 2. And comes to this side, 4 by 4 nothing but 1. Okay? So first we write the sin theta values usually by using shortcut method. That is square root of 0 by 4, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 2 by 4, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 4 by 4. So here 0 by anything 0, square root of 1 by 4 value 1 by 2, square root of 2 by 4 value 1 by root 2, square root of 3 by 4 value root 3 by 2. Next square root of 4 by 4 nothing but 1. Okay? Then and these values we can express in reverse order. That is first 9 degrees value 1. So here 1. Next root 3 by 2. And again same 1 by root 2 as it is same. Next this value 1 by 2. Next 0. Next 0. Next tan theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Right, friends? So 0 by 1 nothing but 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled, it becomes 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Next one here. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 get cancelled, it becomes 1. Next, sin theta by cos theta. 2 get cancelled, it becomes root 3. Next, 1 by 0. If denominator 0 is not exist, then we have taken not defined. Not defined, or infinity also taken, no problem at all. Next, cot theta. If you get tan theta values, then reverse taken, students, we can get cot theta values. So not defined. And next, root 3. And next, 1. And again here 1 by root 3. So it becomes 1. So 0. 0. Okay. Next, secant theta. Secant theta means nothing but it is a reciprocal of cos theta. Take reciprocal of cos theta values, we can get secant theta. Isn't it? Right. So 1 reciprocal 1. And next root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. Reverse taken, students. And next one root 2. Again here 2. Next 1 by 0, nothing but not exist. And reverse taken, student, we can get cosecant theta. So here ND not defined. Next to 2 root 2 and also 2 by root 3 and again here 1. This is the values to students. Okay. Right. This is the values table, students. So first, by using shortcut method, we can get sin theta values. Next, if you receive reverse theta, you can get cos theta, and sin theta by cos theta, we can get tan theta. Tan theta reverse values, we can get cot theta. Next, reciprocal of cos theta, we can get secant theta values. Right. Next one, reciprocal of reverse of secant theta, we can get cosecant theta values, students. This is the method of values table. So learn carefully, students. It is very, very important, students. Okay, right. And also I will express second method, students. Why? The ratio of angles and sides of a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Observe another method. Two right angles, 90 degrees. So another one is 30 degrees. Again, another one is 60 degrees. Or okay, sorry. 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees. And then 90 degrees. 40. Generally, so it is important to two right angles only. 45, 45, 90, 30, 60, 90, students. Observe here. First of all, sides and angles are in the ratio. So 45 degrees opposite 1 taken. Again 45 degrees opposite also 1 taken. 90 degrees opposite root 2 in this triangle. Right. Here observe, students. Sin 45 degrees. Sin 45, sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Isn't it or not? Okay, right. Next one, tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 means opposite side by adjacent side. 1 by 1, nothing but 1. So tan 45 degrees, it becomes 1. You can get. So by using these two triangles also, we can get values easily. Right. And also here, 30 degrees opposite 1 taken. 60 degrees opposite root 3 taken, 90 degrees opposite 2 taken, then we can identify easily values, students. So learn this table also, or by using this also we can recognize or memorize easily to sin t ratio value, students. Right. Comes to important topic. Right. In this table, right here values observe, students. if theta equal to 45 degrees, sin theta equal to cos theta, means both values are equal. And also tan theta equal to cot theta and secant theta equal to cosecant theta. Okay students, observe carefully here. If sin theta equal to cos theta, and again tan theta equal to cot theta, and again secant theta equal to cosecant theta, if theta equal to 45 degrees, if theta equal to 45 degrees, right? So these values also expressed in different way. How it is observed students here? Sin A equal to cos B, sin A equal to cos B, and tan A equal to cot B. Next, secant A equal to cosecant B, cosecant B, right? What about the A and B values? What about the A and B values? Observe here, if theta equal to 45 means 45 plus 45, 90. Is it clear all? Same as this, if A equal to, sin A equal to cos B, sin theta and cos theta are equal when it is possible, means if theta equal to 45. Here A also 45, B also 45. 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. Here also as the same. So what we conclude about this means, sin A equal to cos B, tan A equal to cot B, secant A equal to cosecant B. Then A comma B are complementary angles. A comma B are complementary angles, students. A comma B are complementary angles. Okay students, then we discuss some related problems, students. Yes, observe first problem, students here. Evaluate the following: sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees, and third one, sin 30 degrees plus sin 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees, students. Okay, as I do before, so I said already two right angles like this. Okay, here 90, 30, 60, or simply 30, 60, 90, and also here 45. So 45, 90 degrees to 45 opposite 1, 1 root 2. Okay, clear. And comes to this side, 30 opposite 1, 60 opposite root 3, 90 opposite 2. Right. Comes to first problem spread. Solution given. First one is, what they given? Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. So sin 45 degrees value, how much? Yes, 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So then that implies sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees equal to, okay, right, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Is it clear all of you? So here, so denominator values are same. So that means like fractions. So 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 2 by root 2, students. 2 by root 2. Yes, we know that 2 means root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 by root 2, students. Root 2 get cancelled. What you get finally? Root 2. What you get finally? Root 2. That is the first problem solution, students. And comes to second one. What they given? Cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. Cosecant 60 degrees. So observe, cos 45 degrees, we know that is 1 by root 2. So here, we did in downside, 1 by root 2 by secant 30 degrees. So first we find secant. Secant theta means adjacent side by opposite, secant, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So hypotenuse to adjacent side is root 3. So that is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 degrees, students. Cosecant theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. hypotenuse. So hypotenuse by opposite side. So 2 by root 3. And comes to this side. Then that implies 1 by root 2 as it is same. 1 by root 2 by. So here 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. 4 by root 3. 4 by root 3. So finally it becomes 1 by root 2 into this value we can express in the numerator, then root 3 by 4 finally. So it becomes root 3 by 4 root 2. Root 3 by 4 root 2. This is the solution for second problem, students. All of you understood either. Okay? Right. Go for next third problem, students. Okay? All of you observe carefully how to approach the solution. Carefully listen. Right. Comes to third one. Right. Comes to third one, students. Solution given as the same. Substitute the values carefully. Substitute the values carefully. Right. So here what they given, observe. First one, sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees value how much? 1 by 2. Sine 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Plus next tan 45 degrees value 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees, that is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 degrees value is 2 by root 3. Next by cot 45 degrees, nothing but 1. And again plus cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees, nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And also next secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees value 2 by 3. So minus 2 by root 3. Subtract numerator and denominator. Plus 1 is there and here also plus 1. Plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So both values are cancelled. What you get finally? 1. 1 is the solution, students. Right? This is the way of approaching of a solution. Right, observe students. Evaluate sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees. Sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? Right, observe students carefully. So each and every one, door of the side it is necessary. Here just 30 degrees, 60 degrees value given only. So take one right angle. So that is 90 and also 30 degrees, here 60 degrees. 1 opposite 1, 60 opposite root 3, 90 opposite 2 taken, students. Right. Observe the solution. Solution given. Right. First of all, sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. Again cos 60 degrees. Okay, which implies right sin 60 degrees value, students. What is sin theta cos theta? Remember is the formulas. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Right. Here sin 60 degrees value root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degrees value. Cos 30 degrees value again root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2 cos 60 degrees also 1 by 2, students. So then that implies root 3 into root 3, 3 only, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So finally it becomes 4 by 4. We can get 1, students, which is equation number 1. Which is equation number 1, right? And comes to second one. Sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, which implies sin of, okay, 60 plus 30 becomes 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So sin 90 degrees value becomes 1. Sin 0, 0, sin 90, 1. So this is equation 2. So from 1 comma 2. from 1 comma 2, what we conclude? Sin 60 plus 30 degrees equal to sin 60 plus 30 degrees equal to. So here sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus next one sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees. Okay, right. Then by using this, what we conclude about this? Sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b equal to, right, sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a, next sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, cos a sin b. Okay students, observe this formula. Sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, student. This is the value for this solution, student. So by using this we find sin 75 degrees value also. Sin 75 degrees. How to find the sin 75 degrees? Observe carefully. Okay, all of you understood this problem. Next one. Right. Comes to second one, third one. Find the value of sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees. So observe carefully, students, all of you. So right here, 45 degrees taken. 45 degrees. Here also 45 degrees. 1, 1, 2. Right. So comes to here. Sin of, here only, in that only we discuss sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos b sin a, or cos a sin b. So by using that formula, solution given sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, cos a sin b. By using this formula, we can get the sin 75 degrees, student. Here a replace 45 degrees taken and b replace 30 degrees taken, students. Okay, right. Apply these values according to this formula. Then sin 45 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to, okay, first one sin 45 degrees, a replace 45 degrees and b replace 30 degrees one. Sin 45 degrees and again cos 30 degrees plus cos 45 degrees and also sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. Right, students. Then the reply. Substitute the values. Here sin of 45 plus 30 degrees, nothing but 75 degrees. 75 degrees, right? Sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 plus and cos 45 degrees value again 1 by root 2 into next sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Okay, so then that implies root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, students. So finally what we conclude about this value? So here sin 45 75 degrees equal to, okay, here 2 root 2 2 root 2, that means root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of sin 75 degrees, students. And also if you take sin of a minus b formula also, then we can get sin 15 degrees value. So this is the way of approximation, students. So learn carefully and practice carefully. Yes, analyze fourth problem. In right triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degrees and PQ equal to 6 centimeter, angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. So first of all, aside, draw a right triangle, students, all of you. Right here, Q is 90 degrees. So then we have taken angle PQR. Okay, and also angle RPQ, students. Angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees. So this value equal to 60 degrees. Next, PQ equal to 6 centimeters. PQ equal to 6 centimeters. Right. Then we find QR value along with PR value. QR and PR. Right. How to approach the solution? Carefully observe, students. Solution given. Right. So here one angle is given, and also here this is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side. Adjacent side and opposite side. By using tan 60 tan theta, we can get opposite side also, student. Is it clear or not? And next one, by using cos 60 degrees, we can get PR value also, students. Right? From the figure. So from the figure. Right. First one, tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees equal to tan theta formula, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. That is QR by PQ. QR by PQ. Okay. So now also observe carefully. Right side we have taken cos 60 degrees equal to cos 60 degrees value. Means cos theta formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is PQ by PR. PQ by PR. Okay, students? Right. Tan 60 degrees value. How much tan 60 degrees value? Tan 60 degrees value root 3. So then that implies root 3 equal to, okay, QR value we don't know. So we find QR. QR by PQ 6. Then cross multiplication, QR equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. 6 root 3 centimeters. And comes to this side, cos 60 degrees value. Cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Equal to, next PQ 6 by PR. Then go for cross multiplication. PR, what is PR? PR equal to 6 to 12 centimeters. This is the way of approachment, students. So first analyze the problem, what they given, what we find, observe it, and also first to do rough diagram, then substitute the values, then by observe carefully by which trigonometric ratios can be applied, we can get QR and PR. Observe it and also calculate in your mind, then apply here in this problem tan along with cos trigonometric ratios, we can get PQR and PR, students. Okay, then we go for another model. Right. Observe, student, this problem. If sin of a minus b equal to 1 by 2, cos of a plus b equal to 1 by 2, where a plus b value lies between greater than 0 degrees and equal to 90 or less than 90. Then, and also a greater than b. Find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B. Observe the solution carefully. Solution given. First take two equations. That is sin of A minus B equal to 1 by 2. Sin of A minus B equal to 1 by 2. And also sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B equal to which sin value equal to 1 by 2? Which sin value equal to 1 by 2? Observe carefully. Then it is sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. So here sin get cancelled. A minus B equal to 30 degrees. A minus B equal to 30 degrees. Which is equation number 1 taken. Okay. And comes to second one. Cos of A plus B equal to 1 by 2. Here also observe, students. Which cos value equal to 1 by 2? Observe carefully and memorize in your mind. So then here cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees. So here cos of A plus B equal to cos 60 degrees. Okay, cos get cancelled. A plus B equal to 60 degrees, which is equation number 2, students. Yes, by applying either substitution method or elimination method, we can get the result, students, here. So here, by solving 1, 2, then here, yes, A plus B equal to 60 degrees, and again A minus B equal to 30 degrees, students. Yes, add the equations, plus B minus B get cancelled. A plus A, 2A equal to 90 degrees, then strike it off with 90 degrees. What you get finally? A equal to 45 degrees. Okay, clear all of you? Right. Next one. From equation 2, substitute A value in that, we can get the result. So here, 45 degrees plus B equal to 60 degrees. So plus 45 transfer right side becomes minus. So 60 minus 45 nothing but 15 degrees, students. So B equal to 15 degrees. Here satisfied the condition around, check it. In that problem A greater than B. So here A value 45 degrees, B value 15 degrees. So A greater than B. And also both values, the sum of this value greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees. Second condition also satisfied. This is the solution for this fifth problem, students. I gave some related important homework problem, students. Solve and practice carefully in your rough notebook. Okay, right. Yes, observe homework problem, students. Evaluate sin 60 cos 45 degrees plus cos 60 sin 45 degrees. Cos 60 cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 sin 30 degrees. And second one, find the value of theta. Number 1, 2 sin 2 theta equal to root 3. 2 cos 3 theta equal to 1. Third one, root 3 tan 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0. And comes to third problems. If tan of A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A equal to 1, then find B. Next, tan of A minus B equal to 1 by root 3 and sin A equal to 1 by root 2, then find B, students. And also in textbook, students, some related problems is there what we discussed in 5 problems. Yes, that type of model problems also practice carefully in your rough notebook, students. Thank you.